Hello YouTube to Two Cools 2. Wow. This is update 1 of Hurricane Isaias that's hitting the East Coast from August 2nd to the 7th, 2020. Today is August 4th. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. So I'm just doing a quick video here because I'm actually going to head towards the bay here, get some video. The storm has intensified since around 11 a.m. It is right now almost 2 p.m. Look at that wind. You see a lot of branches down. One of these just fell and hit this poor guy's car over here. Really windy. A lot of things down everywhere. My electricity is flickering on and off. Someone knows power went out. On the other block, a tree completely collapsed and is blocking the street. This poor pigeon. I thought he was hurt from that. It's just that guy's car. So yeah, you see, you zoom in here. There's a lot going on. The rain has stopped for a bit. It was raining pretty heavily. Alright, so this is a quick video. I'm going to try to go take in other clips. I'm going to try to make maybe a montage of what I see. So stay tuned for updates.